Model inversion is a type of attack that targets machine learning models. In a model inversion attack, the attacker attempts to reverse engineer a machine learning model to extract the underlying data. This can be used to steal sensitive information or to train a similar model that can be used for malicious purposes. How does model inversion work? Model inversion attacks work by exploiting the fact that machine learning models are trained on data. This data is used to teach the model how to map inputs to outputs. In a model inversion attack, the attacker will try to use the model to map outputs back to inputs. This can be done by using a technique called gradient descent. Gradient descent is an iterative optimization algorithm that can be used to find the minimum of a function. In a model inversion attack, the attacker will use gradient descent to find the inputs that will produce a given output. What are the risks of model inversion attacks? Model inversion attacks can be used to steal sensitive information. For example, an attacker could use a model inversion attack to steal the training data used to train a facial recognition model. This data could then be used to create a fake facial recognition model that could be used to impersonate the victim. Model inversion attacks can also be used to train similar models that can be used for malicious purposes. For example, an attacker could use a model inversion attack to train a fake spam filter that would be more likely to classify legitimate emails as spam. This could be used to prevent victims from receiving important emails. How can model inversion attacks be prevented? There are a number of measures that can be taken to prevent model inversion attacks. These measures include data encryption. Encrypting the training data can make it more difficult for attackers to reverse engineer the model. Data obfuscation. Obfuscating the training data can make it more difficult for attackers to understand the relationship between the inputs and outputs of the model. Model monitoring. Monitoring the performance of a model can help to identify changes in the model's behavior that may be caused by a model inversion attack. Conclusion. Model inversion is a serious threat to the security of machine learning models. As machine learning models become more widely used, model inversion attacks are likely to become more common. It is important for businesses and organizations to take steps to protect their machine learning models from model inversion attacks. Here are some additional tips for preventing model inversion attacks. Use a trusted and reliable machine learning platform. Train your models on a secure and isolated environment. Monitor your models for suspicious behavior. Keep your models up to date with the latest security patches. By following these tips, you can help to protect your machine learning models from model inversion attacks.